So, hello guys. My name is David, and I'm super excited to be starting this new journey with you all. Uh, I'm looking to introduce my channel to you all, Contents Plus. It's something that I decided to start, and a lot of people have been asking me for pointers on your marketing, and then their digital marketing and tips on making money online and all that. So I decided I should start a YouTube channel. Then maybe I can do a lot more impact from there. I know there are sometimes we watch videos online and then we feel like, nah, there are a lot that goes into this step, but then this creator is probably just showing us the easy stuff and then keeping all the real good stuff to us. Yeah, that's true in a way. Most of these videos we watch online, there are a lot that goes into the steps, but then they cut those out and give us the little stuff, and then you find yourself stranded when you try to follow their pointers. So that was basically what's motivating me to start this channel. I'm trying to make the steps as simple as it can be, and I'll make it as detailed as it can be too. Make sure that whatever that comes into it, I'll show everything to you so at the end you don't find yourself confused. Honestly, I feel like this is going to be a very interesting journey for us all. Going to be an interesting channel. And I know most of you will be looking forward to this because I'm going to provide some very useful content. I assure you that. So subscribe to my channel. This is just a little intro video. So you subscribe to my channel and keep the notifications on. When I start posting videos, I'm sure you'll be able to determine for yourself how useful my content here will be for you. Looking forward to this. I hope that you are too. Thank you, and watch out this space for our first video dropping by the end of this week. Love you all.